Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with the today's topic. Today I'll be talking about money market and its instruments. Before proceeding to the actual topic, I would like to introduce presenter of this video, that is Sakshi Muke, Zui Sawant, Runali Vani, Akanksha Sawant and Shubham Gothankar. What is money market? So before going into what is money market, I'll explain you what is market. Market is a place where we can buy and sell of the product. So now similar way in money market, instruments are the investment vehicle that allow bank, business, the government to meet large but short-term capital needs at low cost. So what exactly it is done that uh, when you need some money for some short period of time, you can lend from some another person in money market. Now, what are the benefits of using money market instruments? It facilitates efficient transfer of short-term funds between holders and borrowers of cash assets. It provides a good return on funds. It enables rapid and relatively expensive acquisition of cash to cover short-term liabilities. It provides a focal point for RBI's intervention for influencing liquidity and general levels of interest rate in the economy. Next is money market investments. So in that there is a three type, that is direct investment, investment in money funds, parking money in money market account. Money market instruments. There are various types of money market instruments. I have listed following types, that is treasury bills, call money, commercial papers, cash management bills and certificate of deposit. So now let's see the types of money market instruments in detail. First is treasury bills, also known as T-bills. I have attached a specimen of how T-bills look like. As we have seen in previous slide, treasury bills are also known as T-bills. This is one of the safest instruments to invest. Treasury bills are issued when the government need money for a shorter period. T-bills are also called as zero coupon bonds. The minimum amount for T-bills is 25,000. Treasury bills first issued in India in 1997. There are three types of T-bills based on the period, that is 91 days, 182 days and 364 days. Let's see the example of T-bill. An investor pays 990 rupees for T-bill, which has a par value of 1000 rupees, which has maturity date after 3 months. At the maturity date, the par value of T-bill is paid back to the investor by government. The amount received by the investor at maturity date has 10 rupees difference, which was initially paid by the investor. Next type of money market instrument is commercial papers. Here is a specimen of commercial paper. Commercial paper is unsecured form of promissory note. It is issued by highly rated company. The maturity period for commercial paper is minimum of 7 days and maximum of 1 year. Minimum amount for commercial paper is 5 lakh or multiples of 5 lakhs. A corporate will be eligible to issue commercial paper whose tangible net worth should not be less than 4 crore. Companies and banks normally agree a program of issuing CPs well in advance, and it's normally agreed that a particular value of CP will be issued, and within that amount the company will issue CPs with the different maturity date. Next type of money market instrument is certificate of deposit. Here it is a specimen of certificate of deposit. Certificate of deposit are issued by banks and financial institutions. Maturity period for certificate of deposit is minimum for 7 days and maximum for 1 year. Minimum amount for certificate of deposit is 1 lakh and multiples of 1 lakh. Let's see the example of CD. Say Tata Banking Group might issue a CD to represent a deposit of 10 lakh from a customer, which is redeemable in 6 months. The customer will receive a 10 lakh back from the bank after 6 months, and as well as a agreed amount of interest. If a customer needed their money back before the 6 month is up, then they can sell their CD to another investor in the money market. Another type of a money market instrument, that is cash management bills and its specimen. Cash management bills are short-term bills issued by a central government to meet immediate cash needs. Cash management bills have a maturity of less than 90 days. These are issued at discount value and redeemed at a face value. Unlike treasury bill, cash management bills also are same. The difference between two is CMB is issued for 90 days and TBC is issued for 91 days, 182 days and 365 days. So in this slide, I'll explain instrument based on the time period. So first is call money. The call money market is the market where overnight loans can be availed by banks to meet liquidity. It is only for one day. Then next is notice money. If banks need fund more than one day, it's called notice money. And the term money, if banks need fund more than 14 days, it's called as a term money. Here are the few important points in money market instruments. The individual player cannot invest in majority of the money market instruments. For retail market, money market instruments are packaged into money market funds. Individual investor may open a money market account at any bank. In money market, deals are transacted on phone or through electronic system. It deals only in short-term debt, financing and investment.